Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So in December of last year, Xiaomi introduced three flagship smartphones, the Xiaomi 12, 12 Pro and 12X, while leaving a fourth Ultra module unannounced. While the phone hasn't been formally teased, various leaks have given us a glimpse of what to expect. We have also seen some renders of the phone which will feature the biggest camera hump we have seen ever on a smartphone. The phone was rumored to be released in the first quarter of 2021, but that appears to have been postponed. According to the Tipstore digital chat station via IT Home, an engineering vision of the gadget was observed in January using the normal Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, most likely for the testing purpose. However, Xiaomi appears to be planning to release the 12 Ultra with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus, which has caused the device to be delayed. It is possible that the corporation is having difficulty obtaining enough stock of the future processor. The Xiaomi 12 Ultra's rear camera module is expected to take a circular design and sit in the center of the big area that spans particularly the whole top half of the phone according to the previous rumors. The camera module will most likely have three lenses, a main camera in middle, a periscope telephoto camera and an ultra-wide-angle snapper. Xiaomi will most likely perform some fantastic stuff in the following days. Looking at this phone, it appears that it will compete with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, iPhone 13 Pro Max and the incoming OnePlus 10 Ultra. It will include all of the major features of 2022 right out of the box. According to a recent source, Xiaomi's future flagship will have a charging maximum of 120 watt and 4900 mAh battery. The Xiaomi 12 Pro has a slightly smaller 4600 mAh battery but supports Xiaomi's 120 watt fast charging technology. The battery capacity is still smaller than that of the Mi 12 Ultra, which comes with a 5000 mAh battery. The two leaked photos of the phone from back in black and white have surfaced, displaying the design once more. They also stated that the phone would have Sony's latest IMX800 camera sensor, so we have to wait and see what the new Sony sensor has to offer. Xiaomi hasn't said anything regarding a global debut of the 12 series, so we will have to wait for a while longer. So what do you think about this Xiaomi 12 Ultra phone? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.